Today I want to show you how to mount a new cooler on your PC, because it's very important for the CPU that it should have the maximum cooling. So if the CPUs have the maximum cooling, it will run better, because if it gets hot, all the temperatures on the board and on the CPU will lower the performance and it will slow down. So what is most important on a standard PC is the cooling for the CPU, and if you have a good CPU, a dual core 3.0 Intel or something like that, it should have the maximum cooling. So I'm trying to make it, it's an old board I have, it's an Asus board, and the CPU, it's an AMD 939 socket, it's a socket 64. But anyway, the principle is all the same. Here's the old cooler. It's quite a small one. The diameter is around 6 centimeters. And the awful about this one, it sounds like a vacuum cleaner, because it runs 3,400 rounds per minute. So it's very noisy. And now I'm changing it to this big one. It's at this moment it's a Salban, but it doesn't matter which mark you're using. It's an UFO, and it can go with a really slow turns, because it's so big and the cooling area is so big and the fan is so large. I think this one is around 15 centimeters. So before buying any one like this, find out if it can fit on the motherboard. Now I will turn down the screen so you can see the motherboard and what I have been doing. Here you can see the motherboard is ready. I prepared the backside with the bracket that comes with the cooler. You can see it here. And on the top surface I have the two screws, one there and one there for the cooler. So first you clean the CPU, and you just put the cooler here so you can see that it fits without touching anything else on the board except of the CPU, and then it's ready. You must have some expansion clips that comes with this kind of cooler. I will just mount them. Here's one, and the other one is here. And then very soon it is ready. But first of all, we need some grease to contact on the surface of the CPU. So I put a small amount of grease, a very thin layer. I think this is very soon empty. With a thin layer of grease, and then I have a plastic tool here for the surface. It's not very easy like this, but anyway, I think it's enough. And now it's ready. I have my screws here and I have my screwdriver. And always when you do something on a board, you use some layer that is anti-static, and when you mount it to the computer, either you use a band at the computer. I always use the anti-static layer because then then it will not harm the board or anything. So I will take the wires out, and then we see. I just turn it a very little because I want it all the way down to the surface so the contact is the best that is possible. And then I want to see the screw holes. There's one there and one there. So I'm ready. So it fits very nicely to the CPU now, and it can go very slow turns. This one can go maybe 900 rounds per minute, and it's very noiseless. This one will go the minimum 3000 and make a lot of noise. It's like being to the dentist. So now it's ready. We can mount the RAM, the memory. See if I can get there on the inside. One more here. And then there's also adjustment for the cooler. You can see you can just mount it inside the cabinet, and then you connect it with the wires to the motherboard like this. You cannot make any mistakes, so it's very easy just to fit it in the right way like this, and then one goes to the cooler and the other one goes to the motherboard. Like this, and now we are ready. We're ready to mount it inside the cabinet. So I think that was it. When you're ready, try to put the stuff inside for this cabinet that is noiseless. So here I have the graphics card. It's also without a fan. Of course, it's depending on if you're a gamer or something. This is a standard graphics card. It's not very expensive, but it can go for most old games and you can use it, but it's only an office PC, so I used it in my office some years ago. But I think we will end now because everything is ready. Have to remove the wires, so it will be nice. I think that is it. I will stop.